Now I'm going to show you how to create nested loops in C++. To create a nested loop, you first need to create a loop. You can create any loop you want, like a for loop or a while loop. In this example, I'm going to create a for loop. In this loop, I will create it so that the variable I starts at 0 and ends when the value is at 10, and the value is incremented by 1. Then I'm going to type some code inside this for loop. Now I'm going to create another loop that will be inside this for loop. This is what nested loops are, which is to have another loop inside a loop. For this inside loop, I will create a different for loop that will start with a different index variable. The most common variable name most programmers use for the inside for loop is the letter J. Then I will create the condition and the increment value. Now we have a for loop that is inside another for loop. This is how a nested loop will look like. How the nested loop will work is that the program will go through the inside loop first until it reaches the condition, and then when it's done, it will complete one iteration for the outer loop.